The reason for this video is to correct another video I had made in the past, which was the budget heater hose. A gentleman named Rio A pointed out that the plastic adapter reducer for the 5/8 to 3/4 will eventually fail. So I am recommending that this gets replaced.
Thank you, Rio A, for pointing that out. So that's why I am making this video to correct this problem. So the item that I am going to replace that plastic adapter with is this billet aluminum from ICT, and I will put the part in description below the comment section. And with this, you can replace it with a brass. This one's aluminum, something metal. As long as it's not plastic, this is the way to solve that issue. And I also picked up another foot of 3/4 heater hose, and this one, normally when you buy it, it kind of comes curved, which is pretty much what I want.
I've also picked up another foot of 5/8 hose, and I'm gonna recommend replacing both hoses.
So the first thing we're gonna do here is I'm gonna measure from here all the way up until here, because with this adapter you're gonna measure it up to this point right here. And so I'm gonna need a hose that's gonna cover this distance right here. With this billet adapter, I picked this up on eBay for less than $10 shipped.
Both of these 5/8 and 3/4 hoses were $2 a foot, and I had to get about a foot each. So putting the hoses together, I want to shape it like an S shape. This shape makes it perfect. So the total cost was about under $15. You will need something to catch the coolant. I recommend using a razor to remove the hoses by cutting straight down the pipe, so you don't end up destroying the coolant pipings. Once the hoses are installed and the clamps are in the correct places, we will need to bleed the coolant system now. I always turn my heater on high and then start the car. I usually wait for 2 fan cycles to turn on before I put the radiator cap back on. If you like what you saw, please hit the like and subscribe button. Oh yeah, please don't forget to share. Thank you.